Magandang araw po sa ating lahat, lalo na sa aking mga viewers, co-employees. Ako si Alexi Fernandez from North Asia Central Manpower Services, Davao Branch. Guys, kailangan po namin or hiring kami ng male applicants intended for cargador to be assigned sa client namin sa Davao Amigo. Cashier, of course, intended for female only para sa Davao Amigo traders. And kailangan din namin ng packers. Ang packers namin guys is both male and female ang need namin. Sa kargador guys, pwede na siya elementary graduate or high school level or high school graduate. Sa cashier namin guys, pwede na high school and college level as well as sa packers namin. To all the job seekers, please submit your resume to North Asia Central Manpower Services Incorporated or please contact to the direct number of 0908 989 2784. Thank you and God bless everyone.